SOLIDWORKS 2022 helps you be more productive with thoughtful user experience enhancements. The Nemo submersible isn't complete without all 4 subsea thrusters in place. In SOLIDWORKS 2022, Command Search is integrated into the QKey Shortcut menu. You can even have SOLIDWORKS show you its location for future reference. The position and orientation of the thrusters has been precisely calculated, so mating to a coordinate system would be a good strategy. In SOLIDWORKS 2022, coordinate systems can be defined using specific numeric values, which makes the placement of the second thruster a snap. Origin visibility is currently turned off to reduce clutter on the screen. With SOLIDWORKS 2022, the new QKey keyboard shortcut allows you to quickly turn on the assembly or component reference geometry, such as planes, coordinate systems, and origins. Coordinate systems have visually and functionally changed as well. Their axes, planes, and even the point itself can be used to create sketches, section views, and more. These thrusters need to be mirrored. Commonly used tools like this are conveniently added to the shortcut bar with one click. And the new QKey shortcut works even while creating features. Many other elements of the user interface have been overhauled to give you a more informative and visually appealing experience. These bubbles appear throughout the system options and give you more insight into the settings. Dismissed messages have always been easy to show again, but were sometimes truncated. Now, hovering over an item reveals the whole message, making it easy to determine if you'd like to show it again. Notification pop-ups, like this reminder to save, have been unified in style and appearance. When you need to collect a project and all referenced components, there's no better tool than Pack and Go. In 2022, you now see a progress bar giving you an indication as to how long the process will take, which is especially useful for larger assemblies. The most user-friendly 3D CAD software in the world is now even easier to use with these valuable additions to the user experience.